Hi, my name is Chris. I'm going to demonstrate how to properly use the cold therapy device. Underneath the brace is going to be the ice pad that we are talking about. And to access the ice pad, you're just going to unhinge the brace, and underneath you'll see the gray pad, which is the ice pad. You'll notice that the ice pad is connected to his leg via 2 Velcro straps. The first Velcro strap goes around his entire top portion of the knee, and then the second kind of goes around the back of his knee. And then once you have that attached, the ice pad is secured. Underneath the ice pad, you'll notice there's a blue towel. It's important to keep that blue towel underneath while the ice pad is on and functioning to prevent any skin irritation. All right. And as far as the ice pad itself, it has ice and water circulating from the machine at the bottom through this hose into the ice pad. That way it's keeping his knee nice and cold. Okay. And then as far as the connection, it is connected here. Here's the ice pad connection, and this is where it's connected to the machine at the bottom. So in order to disconnect it, you're going to push down and then pull apart. And then to reconnect it, you're just going to push together, and you'll hear a click from both of the sockets, and that's how you know it's connected. And now I'm going to show you the actual machine itself. If you look on the inside, get it open, you'll notice it is just regular ice and water. Once you have it filled up to the appropriate level, just pop the top back on, secure it with the handles, and then you should be ready to go. And if ever you run into issues with the actual machine, there's a product support number right here that you can call, and they should be able to help you out. One last thing you'll notice with the machine is it doesn't have an on or off button. You're just going to plug the outlet into the wall and plug it here into the socket. And you'll kind of hear a low hum, and if you put your hand over it, you can feel like a low vibration. That's one of the clues to look for to see if it's operating. Okay. You could also feel the hose and see if it's cold, and that's how you know it's working. This device is for you to keep. You do not need to bring it back to your follow-up appointment. Some important things to remember while using your cold therapy device is, number one, to not place the pad directly on your skin. You're going to want to place a towel in between the pad and the skin in order to prevent any sort of skin irritation or damage. You're going to use your cold therapy device 3 times a day for 2 hours at a time. You're going to want to replace the ice and the water in the machine with each session. You're going to need at least an hour break in between each session. And lastly, it is important to remember to not use this cold therapy device overnight or while sleeping. Thank you for your time, and thank you for joining me on this demonstration on how to use your cold therapy device.